Good morning from Cusco. It's currently 10 o'clock and we haven't done anything with our lives. So we're gonna go buy some food and make a delicious lunch. Hopefully. I want nachos.
Maybe there's both entrances. I don't really know.
Max. Got our card on us. I want to try some Peruvian candy. Maybe. What do I get? Is there anything that looks good here?
Big John looks great.
Done. I'm attractive. Okay, no, I don't. I'll come back maybe. I'll come back. Ooh, cookies though.
These wafer things are only $1.90.
Time for you to wake up, bro.
Ooh.
What time is it set for? 10:19. Well, we're ahead of schedule for the day. Perfect. All right. Taco. I feel like they might have Alfredo sauce. There's Alfredo sauce on the menu at some places. Okay, we're about to make a super weird lunch. I mean, the base of our lunch is Doritos. So we
couldn't find pasta sauce.
Like, that was a weird shopping experience.
We couldn't find
ground beef, couldn't find pasta sauce, couldn't find nachos.
Anything frozen.
Anything frozen, no frozen pizzas. But what can you do? We're nationals living abroad. I guess it's the hand we're dealt. So, we conquered the grocery store. But the reason I'm out of breath, yeah, we did. The reason I'm out of breath is the power's gone out from the time that we left, the time we got back. So we just had to climb 7 flights or 7 levels. So, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm losing consciousness. We also can't microwave our food, so we're gonna have to wait to be able to
That sucks.
eat. We don't know why the power went out. It took us a while to cross the road. But at least we have each other, Ben.
That's a weird. No.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, that's not the same glass. I think this one is. Power might be up, but we can still enjoy a nice cold Inca Cola. Wow. So instead of healthy, delicious Doritos, nachos, we're now forced to snack on Trollikus and Baduanco chocolate wafers. So it's not our fault the power stopped us from living our best life. I think a cola is delicious though. So we're back in the kitchen. Power has been restored. The cheese shredding has begun. About to be applied to these delicious Doritos Sabor a Queso Atrevido. And we're excited to see the results here. I mean, we finally got power back. It's been almost 4 hours. Okay, fine. You can tell it hasn't been that long because I'm not done with a bag of candy. So it's only been like 5 minutes. But we got power back. We're going to start eating. Ben says the queso is very good.
It is very good.
So I'm glad we bought 2 things of that. But I can't wait to show everybody the end result.
Here's you see. See, these are already nacho cheese Doritos, but we're adding more cheese.
I hope nobody on the channel is lactose intolerant. This is not the video for you.
So I'm gonna do layers at a time.
Okay.
This is layer 1. I'm gonna add some mozzarella in here.
This is an advanced test technique only taught at the culinary school,
Yeah.
located in Prince Edward Island, Charlottetown. So.
Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. Okay, that's like maybe a couple.
Oh, okay.
You know, get it good and cheap.
Ratios are really important, aren't they, Chef?
Yeah. I'm gonna add another layer. Just gonna keep on adding layers.
Look at the joy on his face.
Just gonna keep going here. A little bit more.
Oh.
I'm gonna dump a bunch more cheese.
Oh, look at that. We got a mountain of Doritos.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that zesty
That's
cheese.
cheese.
Oh,
Yeah. This is the stuff right here.
wow. Wow, so good the cops have been called. It's criminal how good these look.
Alright, and the last layer. This is gonna be the rest of the bag.
Not a very big bag of Doritos over here
True, yeah.
in Peru. It's almost like they don't adhere to North American portion standards or something.
Adhere?
Yes, adhere.
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 What was the other word you used to say that was completely wrong?
I say every word right, thank you. Did you focus? Hurry up.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's hard. The plate's not quite big enough. We're just gonna...
This is an advanced technique. Do not try that at home.
Yeah, that's some serious.
You can see his cheese potato in the background there.
Oh, look out.
Oh, just kidding. Properly.
I might actually cut out the rest of this cheese and just dump it on.
Okay, we'll come back.
Or you know what? Maybe I'll just place that. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, that would be hilarious. This is great stuff right here.
Okay.
Some Doritos on the bottom of the cheese. Okay.
Did you sanitize before doing this?
Oh, heck no. Where's the knife at?
Oh,
we can. I mean, okay, thank you.
yeah, you're welcome.
I'm just gonna chop this up and just drop it right on.
Direct application.
Wherever it goes, that's where it goes. You know.
One's actually almost not even on the plate there.
Yeah,
he's hanging.
You know
on.
what? That'll melt on there though.
It'll melt onto the plate.
Melt on a plate, and then I can use a Dorito to just scoop it up.
Oh, dipping, nice, nice. Will we be using salsa to top or?
Yeah, potentially. I'm not a huge fan of salsa, so.
Oh, why not?
I don't know. It just doesn't, you know. I don't know what the word is for that. But
okay, we'll come back at the next step.
Yeah, okay.
Commercial break.
Alright. So we're back in the kitchen.
We never really left.
Now that we got our cheese pretty evenly distributed over the already cheesy burritos, we're gonna move this over to the microwave. Hopefully it fits.
We didn't.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, in you go.
Like a glove just in there. And there's some debate over how long to put this in for. I'm gonna go 42 seconds. This time, it kind of depends on the now. You know what? This is Spanish, so I don't know what button to press at this point. I feel like it's got to be this one.
We're having some translational issues.
Iniciar, that sounds like.
That seems like initiate.
Initiate
Okay.
sequence.
Hey, underlay.
So now we wait for 42 seconds.
3 hours later.
Now we'll retrieve our. And nothing's happened. We're gonna add another 36 seconds this time. NCR.
Okay.
Let's see where we're at now. Ooh,
Oh, a little bit of movement in the cheese. Okay.
That's good.
Cheese migration.
See, what we want to do is we want to slowly decrease the time we put on the microwave so that we can slowly warm up the cheese. We don't want to burn the cheese. That's important. So now I'm going to go down to 24 seconds and hit the button again. Alright, so we're see,
we're getting there.
We're getting there.
We're pretty
Now,
close.
See, we're getting down into the 16 to 18 second range. I'm gonna go 17 right in the middle and go again. Should just melt up the cheese a little bit more, you know, get it a little warmer. Yeah, so we're almost there. I'm gonna go one more time, just to be safe. We're gonna go one more time at 14 seconds.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Look at that! Wow, look at that cheese.
Wow, look at the migration.
The movement of that cheese.
The migration of the
wait,
cheese.
Let me get a good. Oh
wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
That was weird. It's good. It's delicious.
Are we done?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Yeah. I'm gonna go out on the deck. Oh, your camera's out there. I'll sit on the other side.
Oh, okay. Don't vibrate the deck. Dinner and a view, eh?
Dinner and a view, bud.
Dinner and a view. Have I actually taken the time to comment on the view? Wow. So good we almost just don't want to leave the apartment.
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah. I don't feel like garbage right now.
So we decided to get off our butts and we walked 3 kilometers thereabouts to our first destination, which is, oh, you can't see it, I'll have to flip it around. Oh, 1, 2, 3. The Santo Domingo, which is supposed to be like a cathedral thingy. So that's the first stop on, maybe you have 3 other spots I have planned out.
You do?
Yeah, I have a huge plan, yeah.
Well, are we gonna go in there?
I don't know, I wasn't. I just
Not
went,
part of the plan.
I just knew where to go. I didn't know what to do with the places. So we'll have to see if we go in. I don't know if I have to pay. I don't really want to go in, but just left the Santo Dominico. I couldn't film anything in there, so you'll see nothing of that. We're about to head to another place I don't remember, and maybe we'll show you some of that. Maybe not. It's a nice alley to get mugged in. Wouldn't mind. I am pretty sure that's where we're going, right there. We can make it.
Why are you filming?
But there's no filming. So we,
come over. Oh, sorry.
so we've just finished our second tour, and now we're being harassed in the plaza by merchants who want to sell us literally everything. Some lady followed me at least 500 meters, try and sell me a Machu Picchu ticket.
She followed him maybe 10 meters.
500 meters. Oh, I'm about to be offered a selfie stick again.
Yeah.
So. No, gracias.
No,
There's a
gracias.
poncho.
No, gracias. No, gracias.
No, gracias.
No.
No, I don't need a poncho. I own a poncho. But we're just gonna sit in the plaza for a little bit, and then we're gonna go back and find some lomo. There was a dessert shop that we need to go to. That
Yeah,
dessert.
it
We
looks
passed
really
a dessert
expensive.
shop on the way. Oh, but it's worth it though. So a few more minutes here. Should I shoot a time lapse maybe?
You could.
All right, maybe I'll shoot a time lapse. We'll see.
No, that's probably real shit.
No. Bad news. Ben spotted. You can't see it. There's a Patagonia store over there. I don't have 5 hours.
What if it's really cheap?
Why?
Because we're in Peru.
That doesn't make sense. Are we going across or are you going to see a rock? No, thank you.
No, thanks.
No, thank you. But do you have a duck? So yeah, pro tip of the day.
Let's just go.
Oh,
Or how it's
oh, I gotta cross this road. Good luck. We're not gonna be able to cross this road for an hour.
Yeah, we will. Let's go.
Oh no. That's not good. I hope it's so expensive. So because so many people around here are asking me, do I want things? I just ask them if they have a duck. Usually they leave me alone. Do you have a duck? Do you have a duck? Do you have a duck? No, didn't have a duck. Problem solved. Do you have a duck? How expensive is that, do you think? I gotta be careful here. I'm only gonna have 150.
We found Nathan's dream store.
What are the chances they speak English here?
Slim. Slim, I'm thinking. What are you gonna buy?
I don't know. Whatever they give me. If they give me something, I'll buy it. Oh, is that funny? The cake is being cut. I wish I would have gotten one of these though. And then one of those. I wish this lady hadn't bought us.
We know she doesn't think. Cheesecake in a bag.
Cake on lock! I guess I'm eating alone.
Is your plastic one the game?
Yeah, so I don't have to clean it. Okay, bon appetit, hippie Ben. Okay, first bite reaction coming right up.
Oh, there's no. I don't have any crusts at the bottom.
Oh.
of my first bite. It's just cheesecake.
He doesn't like it.
It's good. It's not great.
Doesn't like it. Okay,
I'll
well.
be honest. Yeah, I think you'll feel the same way.
Yeah, well, I eat everything, so.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's just not great. Probably wasn't worth $6.
Immediately the texture.
Mm.
It's more marshmallow and cheesecake. It's edible.
We got a pizza.
Let's go open that baby up. Open that baby up. Oh,
there's
look at those mushrooms. So juicy.
I hate mushrooms.
I got you, bro.
Oh.
I got you, bro. Doesn't look like there's any mushrooms on that.
Better fucking
You're worse than that.
not. I just hate mushrooms. I'll eat like almost anything else.
That's what it seems. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. So all that's really left for us here in Cusco is to pack. Still some stuff scattered around. I have my kit bag on my bed in there, but we pretty much just got to pack. So this is going to be a good night for now. Early night, 8 o'clock flight back to Lima. Then we'll go see our friend Carlos, and we'll go from there. So say bye, Ben.
Bye.